Bitcoin news today. Blackrock is gearing up for the next Bitcoin wave. On May 21st, Blackrock spot Bitcoin ETF dominated was 95% of total inflows, hitting a massive $219 million in one day. This surge contributed to over $300 million in net inflows for US spot Bitcoin ETFs. With Ethereum ETFs now confirmed, the crypto market is buzzing with excitement. BlackRock's total inflows now stand at $16 billion, closing in on the Grayscale's $20 billion. And get ready for a thrilling ride in the crypto world. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So here we are starting off with, this Bitcoin breakout is just getting started. The Bitcoin rejected from 71,500 again, but holding above 69,500. Consolidate here for a bit longer, and I doubt bears can defend the all-time high region once more. Price discovery is a matter of a time. Next up, Bitcoin reclaim and retest complete. Time to push for new all-time highs. First target $85,000. In 2012, at this scene, Bitcoin was mentioned on television for the first time. The price of one fucking Bitcoin was $3.42. This guy is buying 100 Bitcoin a day and most people aren't even paying attention at all. Bitcoin volatility is still sitting at all-time lows. The big move is yet to come. All resistance levels have been broken. 2021's peak has been turned into support, and it's time for Bitcoin to make its way towards six figures. Cardano CEO: I don't see how Bitcoin survives. It's a religion, not an ecosystem. It will die a slow hit death. The CNBC is already talking about a Solana ETF. This is the problem with including Ethereum into the spot ETF game. They are open Pandora's box of shitcoins. Looks like we are about to have the free market casino everyone's backed for. I'll stick to the Bitcoin. Next up, hopeful but calm everyone. Hodler's cheat sheet, psychology of a market cycle. The feeling appearing as the market fluctuates, and here we can see all the cycles right there that we should go through, and most of them are shown in this diagram, and if you want to check it out, just stop the video and watch the whole one. Next up, historically Bitcoin has moved closely with the cycle of the moon, forming local bottoms during full moon. It's a full moon against tonight and send it pretty much higher. Bitcoin has spent the past 7 years trading inside the rising channel, and with the halving event behind us, it's time for prices to make their way into the upper half of the channel again. Send this beyond. Next up, Blackrock will probably apply for a combined Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF at some point and sell it to the boomers as a way to get diversified exposure to crypto. They'll eat that shit up like a dog food. One of the biggest alt season is just starting, and what are you seeing now is nothing compared to what's coming for altcoins. Bitcoin dominance slowly breaking down of a 500-day uptrend, and it should go to red lines, and we should witness incredible pumps as most alts didn't even start yet. Bitcoin fake out before the next leg up. Since the 15,500 bottom, we have witnessed a similar pattern in Bitcoin as price consolidates inside a range for a few weeks or months. Then it breaks down below the range, trapping all the bears, or followed by the quick reclaim and another leg up. As if the pattern repeats, we are going to see a massive leg up pretty much soon. Blackrock dominates Bitcoin ETF market with $219 million inflow and driving total ETF inflow over $300 million. This marks the highest inflow for BlackRock's ETF since April 5th, breaking a 6-week streak of negligible inflows. On Tuesday, May 21st, BlackRock spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund dominated the market, accounting for 95% of the total inflows into United States spot Bitcoin ETFs. Together, these ETFs saw over $300 million in net inflows. Preliminary data from Foresight investors revealed that BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust experienced substantial inflows of $219 million on May 21st. The combined net inflow for all the 11 ETF issuers was $305 million. This marks the highest inflow for BlackRock's ETF since April 5th, breaking a 6-week streak of negligible inflows. The recent figure surpasses the total inflows for the previous 21 trading days combined. In total, Spot Bitcoin ETFs have attracted more than $1 billion over the last 4 trading days amidst a volatility Bitcoin rally. So with these latest numbers, Blackrock's fund has reached $16 billion in total inflows since its inception, according to Foresight investors. Nonetheless, the official product website lists the asset under management at $19 billion, and this brings Blackrock's IBIT close to the industry leader, as Grayscale, which reports $20 billion in AUM for its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust ETF, and on May 21st, GBTC recorded 0 outflows, marking 5 consecutive days without a net outflow. Over the past 5 days, it has seen inflows totaling $72.5 million, ending a 4-month streak of steady outflows. However, not all ETFs fared well on Tuesday, as OneAC Bitcoin Trust ETF experienced outflows of $6 million, while the Bitwise Bitcoin ETF saw a $4.2 million in outflows. Conversely, the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund had minor inflows of $25.8 million, while the others remain unchanged. The surge in Bitcoin ETF inflows has been fueled by a recent rise in Bitcoin prices, which climbed 12% over the past week. On May 21st, Bitcoin hit a 6-week high of 71,600 but dropped below 70,000 in early Asian trading on May 22nd, and at the time of writing it was priced at 69,444, and additionally speculation that a US Securities and Exchange Commission might approve spot Ether ETFs has lifted crypto markets since May 20th. Next up we go. Experts predict Bitcoin and Ethereum price movements. So Bitcoin on May 23rd approached its decision on Ethereum ETF funds heading near all-time highs. Data from TradingView showed Bitcoin price above 69,000 after falling below 2 previous days. Market sentiment turned optimistic as US regulators were expected to approve Ethereum ETF products, a sharp reversal from just weeks ago. Interest in Bitcoin continues. Bitcoin USD pair targets, including 80,000, attract investors' attention, as this optimistic phase could open new bullish passes for both Bitcoin and altcoins, as the Man Trading founder and CEO Michael Van de Poppe commented in his latest analysis. Bitcoin has very clean price action, and I expect to test at $67,500, $68,000 before continuing. Everything awaits the potential approval of an Ethereum ETF fund. So popular commentator Bitquant, maintaining the upward theme, targeted 80,000 in May before reaching a local peak of 95,000 next month. And in a recent post, Bitquant commented, "Yes, 95,000 will extend into June, but the sharp drop at this local peak will also occur in June, so the overall timeline for this local peak has not changed." In the subsequent discussions, Bitquant predicting Bitcoin would reach a new autumn highs before the last month's block subsidy, having set the third quarter of this year as a deadline for a global peak. So what's happening on the Ethereum front? Considering where Ethereum price action could go upon approval, trading firm QCP Capital set the bullish potential at 60%, and in a recent update to Telegram channel subscribers they shared, "We think an approval is now highly likely, with trading expected as early as next week." So the target of approximately $6,000, 60% higher than the current spot prices, was based on Bitcoin's performance in the months following the US spot ETF launch in January. Meanwhile, popular trader Jali, one of the many assuming the stars would align for Ethereum bulls, that they commented. An ETF decision is in the afternoon, but the chart seems to know the outcome. So that's kind of all the information we got for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.